Namaste viewers. It's Thursday morning, May 29, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. Please mention your email in the comment section so that we can forward you the daily market wrap in your inbox at exactly 7 a.m. Indian Standard Time each weekday. Indian benchmark indices ended lower for the second consecutive session on May 28 as upbeat global cues were overshadowed by fund outflows triggered by large block deals and heightened activity in the primary market. Benchmark Indian equities indices ended Wednesday's choppy session in negative territory. The 30 share Sensex closed down by 239 points or 0.29% at 81,312. Mirroring the Sensex, the NSE Nifty 50 also ended lower by 74 points or 0.30% at 24,752. Indus Bank, Apollo Hospitals, Ultratech Cements, Hindalco, and Nestle India were among the top laggards of the Nifty 50 constituents. Conversely, HDFC Life, Bharat Electronics, Bajaj Finance, Hero MotoCorp, and Bharti Airtel were among the gainers. Among the broader market indices, the Nifty Midcap 100 ended lower by marginally 0.02%, while the Nifty Smallcap 100, on the other hand, ended with a gain of 0.33%. On the sectoral front, shares of fast moving consumer goods, FMCG, companies were under pressure. The Nifty FMCG index was the top sectorial laggard, ending down by 1.5%. Nifty Auto, Metal, Pharma, Consumer Durables, and Healthcare indices were among the other sectoral indices which were a drag on the NSE. Nifty Media and PSU Bank, on the other hand, defied the market trend and settled with gains. Notably, FMCG giant ITC settled lower by 3.17% following a large block deal by British American Tobacco PLC, BAT, which sold nearly 385 ITC shares, accounting for a 2.5% stake in the company, thereby relinquishing the veto power in the diversified Indian conglomerate. The transaction reduced BAT's stake below the 25% threshold, signaling a shift in its boardroom influence. On the IPO front, Belrise Industries made a strong debut, listing at 11% premium over its issue price of rupees 90 per share. Meanwhile, the Leela Hotels IPO saw strong interest, closing fully subscribed on day three, with demand led by QIBs and retail investors. The Fear Index India VIX, which gauges market volatility, ended lower by 2.8% at 18.02 points. And in the US overnight, US stocks ticked lower during regular market hours on Wednesday, a day after three big US indexes surged. And with a lull in trade war news, Nvidia has the spotlight. The chip maker posted earnings after Wednesday's close. Share rose more than 5% after first quarter revenue rose 69% from a year ago, beating expectations. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.6% or 245 points. The S&P 500 also declined by 0.6%, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.5%. Brent crude is currently trading at $64.90 a barrel. Gold is rupees 95,790 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 97,540 per kilogram. The outlook for today: expect the Nifty to form a strong base in the 24,200 to 24,100 range, settling the stage for the next leg higher towards 25,500. Any dip from here should be seen as a buying opportunity. And that's the wrap for today, my dear viewers. If you got value from this, do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.